gagawa tayo ng homemade salted eggs. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Nagki-crave ka ba ng salted egg pero walang mabilhan sa palengke? Craving no more! I will share with you how I make our salted eggs or itlogmaalat at home. Sa paggawa nito, masusukat ang tinatawag nila na the art of waiting. Kasi kailangan natin maghintay ng ilang araw bago natin ito makain. Ganun naman talaga 'di ba kahit sa buhay. Sabi nga nila, the best things in life are worth waiting for. Emote ka girl! Kaya simulan na nga natin ang paggawa ng salted egg. Ito ang mga kailangan natin. Glass jar, 4 pieces raw large chicken eggs, 3/4 cup of rock salt, and 2 cups of water. Let us put everything inside the jar. First is the salt. Next is the water. And eggs. Store this for 21 days in a clean, dark place. So why 21 days? Para medyo oily ang egg yolk.
Later.
Update. Today is day 12. Yehey! Konti na lang.
One eternity later.
Yehey! Finally, it's day 21. It's harvest time. Parang farm lang. I-transfer ang lahat ng egg sa isang cooking pot na may malinis na tubig. Boil for 25 minutes. And serve. O diba? Worth it naman ang 21 days na paghihintay. I hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye!